prints and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights, but you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe.
Hi friends, welcome back. We are doing so much in today's video. I wanted to take off my bedding because you can tell there is like an orange stain on the bed, and it's not a stain, it's my self-tanner. So I definitely have to wash my bedding after I self-tan. The new self-tanner I'm trying, I think it looks good on, especially during the winter months. Like it's a lighter shade. It might not look like it on camera, but it is lighter than what I normally do. It's just the Cocoa and Eve. I have it linked on my Amazon storefront if you were wondering. But yeah, it definitely transfers onto my beds. But every time I wash my bedding, it comes right out. I've never had a self-tanner yet that has stained anything on mine, even my white sheets. So that's good. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend. We're going to get some of this stuff tackled in my house that I've kind of just been putting off. I want to get this area picked up. I still have to work out. And then when I get back, I'm going to go ahead and start on the kitchen because the kitchen needs a good clean. It also needs the dishes done, and we are also going to be tackling the fridge and pantry in today's video. So tons of cleaning, organizing, decluttering motivation coming up. I hope that if you are new here, you will hit that subscribe button as well as the alert bell. It helps my channel out a ton, and it's completely free for you to do. Plus, if you're just looking for some crazy mom, crazy chaos motivation, I do work full time and I have 3 small children. So my house can get a little messy, like this playroom that I am finally tackling, and the dog crate had toys and Play-Doh all in it. I decided to pick up the Play-Doh and take that downstairs because it just got into all of the carpet all the time and I could not handle it anymore. So it is now put up and put downstairs so that the kids can use it on the dining table instead of kind of leaving it out all over the place up here, because you see all the little crumbs on the floor. That's not crumbs, that is Play-Doh that dried. They just haven't picked it up and it was stuck in the carpet. So yeah, I'm just over it. But anyway, I appreciate you guys being here, and let's get into today's video.
Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Moving on was never harder with knowledge of all the things I leave behind. I got a new friend in my life that is perfect, and you're no longer on my mind. Sun, warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun, I'll be fine and you'll be gone when nothing's like home. I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and take the long way home.
I would say that I'm a pretty naturally organized and clean person. I like things picked up and tidied, but I also try to not let my own like OCD and my own like organization kind of get in the way of my kids being kids. So yes, their playroom, that's what it's meant for. I have to remind myself that it's okay that it's messy, that they're playing in it, that we can pick it up at night before bed. We can start all over. We've been really making the boys pick up this room at night, and it's been helping. My husband has to get on them for it because they don't listen to mom right now. I don't know what phase this is, but I have to fight with them tooth and nail to get them to pick up the floor. But my husband's like, boys, clean up the room now. And right to work they go, like no issue. I don't know. But of course, my bonus daughter helps because she's the oldest. She is 12. So she helps the 6 and 4-year-old clean this room. Unfortunately, she does make some of the mess too. Like that's okay. This is what their room is for. She likes to craft, so there's paper everywhere. So I do make her pick up that area, and then the boys have to pick up all the trains and stuff like that. So we're getting a little bit better at making them do it at night instead of holding off until I film, because it's just getting so overwhelming. But again, I need to remember that they're only kids once, and I like that they get to play and have fun and have a space that they can do that in.
I lost my ways, no words to say. You're on my mind, and time flies by. I'm cutting down the wires, I'm feeling kinda tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine.
I was in such a rush that I splashed myself with this Jaws cleaner. But life, it happens. It comes right out in the wash. That's the one thing I love about Jaws, is it's non-toxic and it never stains my clothes. So there's that. But over the next few videos, over the next few weeks in my home, I've actually taken on my kitchen. The drawers are unorganized, things in it I don't like, things that I feel like could be functionally better for us since we moved in here in March. So over the next few weeks, I'm going to be putting in new organization, changing up drawers, fixing things that I feel like they need to be fixed, and kind of just going with the flow a little bit here. So I'm taking little bit by little because I just don't want to overwhelm myself with this task, because the kitchen is a big task to organize it all. So I will not be doing the KonMari method or whatever, bring it all out and see if it brings you joy kind of crap. I don't know. That's great if you can do that, but I would get so overwhelmed with all the clutter. I would quit halfway through. So I'm going to do it little bit by little bit each day, each week, get what I need done, do a drawer or two a day, or maybe 3 or 4 if I'm feeling a little frisky. But we're getting there. And the first place I wanted to start is the kitchen, fridge, and the pantry, because it was pretty bad as well. But I already organized these 2 things, so they're not as chaotic as the cabinets right now.
But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. It feels the same. The days goes on, but that's okay. Why can't you stay right here with, I said right here with me. I'm cutting down the wires, I know I'm looking tired. I think I lost myself, I think I lost it all. You know it's true, I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. up my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here so badly.
While we get these dishes done really quick, I just wanted to see how you guys are doing. What have you been up to? Kind of just chit chat. I feel like Christmas is coming and I'm not ready for it. I just got some Christmas decorating, or not Christmas decorating, Christmas decor shop. Oh my goodness, I can't even talk. Christmas shopping, like Christmas gifts for the family, for just my immediate family. I got a few things done. I just started doing them like this past week, and I'm not even sure. It took me forever to figure out things to get to my kids because I feel like they get toys and they play with them for like a day and then they just go in a toy box. I definitely need to go through and declutter all of their toys because I don't feel like all of them work, or there's probably broken toys in them, and just kind of get rid of things before new toys come in for Christmas. I did not go overboard this year for Christmas. I'm really trying not to because I want to take a family trip next year to hopefully to Universal to see Hogwarts, or like just a big trip with the kids, all of us as a family. And I feel like experiences are worth more than all of the Christmas gifts under a tree. However, my 12-year-old would understand getting one big gift under the tree. My 6 and 4-year-old would not understand. They would think they were in trouble from Santa. Like, I wouldn't say that they would think they were in trouble from Santa, but like they would just be questioning like, why? Like they don't understand yet that, all of the things. And they know that Christmas is about family and giving and just all the things. We try to go and volunteer during this time of year to give back to our community, but it can be challenging for a lot of families. So I just want to see how you guys are doing. I know that we're all struggle busting our way through this Christmas season because I feel like it just came up on me. Like I feel like certain months took forever and then all of a sudden it was Christmas. I don't know. Like the days go slow, but the months go fast. That's how I feel right now. Anyone else?
I can't get you out my head. I think you stole my soul. Shadows creeping everywhere. I want you here. You know it's true. I've been thinking about you. You make me feel.
I believe I did a TikTok short, or a TikTok and a YouTube short, and even an Instagram reel with organizing underneath my kitchen sink after putting in the new sink over Thanksgiving weekend. So I was just showing you the end product. If you don't follow me on any of those, it's just a cleaning affair just like it is here. If you would like to, I update all the time on those two channels just so you're aware. And my kids in the background, I just wanted to show you that they were helping clean because I get a lot of questions about them, but my boys were definitely in the background helping me. And then you can see later on my bonus daughter cleaning the couch for me because the dog, I don't know what the dog did, but there was something on the couch and I was like, clean it up, please. And she did it. So thankfully I have kids. And if you're looking for a way to not be stressed out about your house, have your kids help. There we go.
So safe right when you told me you were mine, but I'm too late. I can't undo my mistakes. The time's run out and I'm left standing wet here in the rain. The same cloud hanging over my head. God, I wish you were here to save me from myself. You know it's true. You know it's true. I keep thinking about you.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll
All right, we have a huge grocery haul that we're gonna do really quick. I'm just gonna go through it really fast so we can start putting it away. Just meatballs. I get the turkey, regular, tons of vegetables, cauliflower rice, chicken breast, shrimp, and then I got some oatmeal because I like to do overnight oats, popsicles for the kids, the only thing I drink, some more vegetables, and then some snacks for the kids. Not necessarily healthy, but it's not like they're eating them all day long. So I just got these really quick for them. Some gummies, all of the drinks back there, and then chips, milk, almond milk, oat milk, egg whites. And then over here is stuff from the fridge that I haven't put away yet, but I got more eggs, all of the produce, you know, potatoes, green peppers, plums, grapes, asparagus, and lettuce. Always keep those on hand. Ice cream, 2 of them because this is the only ice cream my one son eats. Apples, we go through those like crazy. Some Philadelphia cream cheese for when I make buffalo chicken dip. The Bob Evans mashed potatoes because I'm lazy during the week. Then we got all of the lunch meat in there. And I get the fat-free mozzarella. I got regular cheese and string cheese. And then we have Danimals, Go-Gurts, all of the yogurts. One exploded. Got all of that. And then more Dr. Pepper for my husband. Water for the upstairs fridge. Maybe a few down here. I don't know. And then ice cream cones that were not packed because I unpacked because I forgot to take them out of the bag. But just here, ice cream. We got some Lucky Charms. And then Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Bananas, jerky, great protein snack. I got lasagna so I can make a lasagna soup. Needed more detergent, deodorant, and then egg noodles, and that's it.
find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I really try to not let my fridge get gross and disgusting and kind of just overrun, but I felt like after Thanksgiving, we all have that feeling where we just need to tackle it, especially with leftovers and stuff. I don't really keep a whole bunch of Thanksgiving leftovers unless there's like a lot of turkey left because we just won't eat them. So I do end up throwing them away, but we did only make small batches this year because I knew that only my parents come to visit me. So we always try to make the smaller amount, and pretty much everything was gone. And yes, my preferred choice of Tupperware container is definitely gallon-sized baggies because they fit better. You can throw more in there, and I know it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but it's better than having a whole bunch of big glass jars or whatever that doesn't fit everything, and then you can't find room, and your fridge is overflowing every time you open it. Like, no. But it works for us, and that's okay.
I just wanna
Now that the fridge is done, I'm just going to try to organize my pantry a little bit. I'm going to go through and fill up all of the bins really quick with all of the snacks that we got in my grocery haul, and then I will show you the end product when it's done, just to make it go a little bit faster, because I know that can get a little boring and long-winded if you're seeing me do everything in the background. So I'm trying to make it a little bit more fast-paced and nice for you guys to watch.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do.
The weekly food calendar, I got it from Amazon. I do have it linked in my Amazon storefront as well, but it is amazing because I like to do it every Sunday and I plan for the week, and that way I do not have to worry about what I have to take out or sit there worrying all day what I'm going to eat for dinner, like what I'm going to make, asking everybody what they want. You know, it just turns into a big pain, and then you end up eating out or just junk food because you didn't take meat out on time. You're just over it by the end of the night. So I definitely live on crock pot meals. But this calendar has saved me a ton because it just keeps me on track and lets me know. And my husband, even this week, has been looking at it and he's like, oh, we have, like, I'm running late because I had a hair appointment or something. And he was like, oh, okay, I see chicken nuggets and fries on here. I'm just going to make that for the kids. And I'm like, okay, that's perfect. Like, that's what was planned for. Like, that's what I like doing. And then also, if you do it this way, you know what you need for your groceries so that you're not overspending either. You just get what you need instead of a whole bunch of things and then you're trying to throw something together throughout the week. So definitely, if you're looking for a way to kind of be on top of things, if you're trying to start your fitness journey, look at a weekly planner.
Shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do.
Watch out for rain, these are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day.
It is the next day, and if you can't tell what day it is, hint, hint, Jersey alert, but it is Sunday, and I'm tackling up the rest of the places that I didn't get to over the last 2 days, kind of just tackling a lot in my house this video. I hope you guys appreciate it, and I hope you guys are having a great time and are either kicking back and watching along with me or cleaning along with me. I just love to give you guys that motivation. I love making YouTube videos, and I love sharing them with you guys. So it has just been crazy over here. I hope you guys understand, and I'm trying to keep on track with my schedule as best I can. It is about 2 videos a week that I like to do. It's just certain days don't always work for me, especially with kids, sports and stuff. So I try to upload when I can.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. dance the night away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare.
All right, y'all, the dreaded, it is the end of the video. I know we did so much in today's video. I was exhausted after cleaning the fridge and the pantry. Like, that was a task in itself. Like, that's all I could do for that day, really. I don't know how I got so much done. There are days where I have so much motivation, and then there are days where I just sit on the couch and read a book all day. I don't want to go to the gym. I don't want to do nothing. But I have to, or my house looks like it did at the beginning of the video. My boys definitely are little tornadoes sometimes. So if you have kids, you completely understand what I'm talking about, and just kind of keeping up with your house can help you maintain it in the long run. If you end up just letting things go and go and go and let depression win, then it makes your life harder. It makes it more overwhelming to clean. It makes it harder to keep up with all of the messes. So my biggest advice when you are trying to maintain your house while working a busy schedule and having kids and just dealing with all the chaos that life brings, is to have about an hour or two a day. You don't even have to have 2 hours, just like an hour or even 30 minutes, and get everyone to help if you can. If you're by yourself, just set a timer. Do an hour or 30 minutes and get your butt moving. Clean up all the stuff on the floor. Throw the dishes in the dishwasher. Do whatever you can do. Get the laundry started. It does not have to be perfect. No one expects anyone to be perfect, especially moms and dads. So please be easier on yourselves. But definitely remember, it's easier to maintain a cleaner home and an organized home than it is to deal with a huge, huge, huge mess when depression wins. Just remember that, and I'm always here for you guys, and I appreciate you guys watching until the end, and I hope that you will keep coming back for more content.